Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Lofree Flow Lite, a 100-key low-profile mechanical keyboard that promises a premium experience without breaking the bank. Lofree has taken its original Flow keyboard and streamlined the design to create a more accessible option. The Flow Lite offers versatile connectivity with a 2.4G receiver, Bluetooth, and a wired USB-C option. This makes it compatible with a wide range of devices, including Windows PCs and Macs. Switching between devices is seamless, making it a great choice for those who work across multiple platforms. The keyboard features hot-swappable Spectre linear switches. The keys offer a smooth and responsive typing experience. The low-profile design contributes to comfortable ergonomics, reducing strain during extended use. The keycaps have a textured surface that feels nice to the touch. The Lofree Flow Lite includes hotkeys and media keys, including a volume roller. The volume roller is a welcome addition, allowing for quick and precise audio adjustments. The keyboard also features backlighting, which enhances visibility in low-light environments. While the original Flow keyboard used an aluminum body, the Flow Lite opts for ABS plastic. Lofree has added a textured surface to the ABS plastic, which helps to maintain a premium feel. The build quality is solid, and the keyboard feels sturdy despite the use of plastic. The Lofree Flow Lite is a compelling option for anyone looking for a low-profile mechanical keyboard. Its versatile connectivity, comfortable typing experience, and thoughtful features make it a standout in its price range.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.